This is Aaron with 903 Aaron 903 here on eBay. This is a little boil test and show you this alcohol stove here boiling some water. This is my open top jet alcohol stove that I make out of aluminum cans. And this is one of my Heineken pots. It's one I have here around the house. Boiled a lot of water in this can, in this pot stand here. Here's my fuel bottle. I got these marks here just to kind of help me eye an ounce of fuel. This is how easy this thing is to fill. Go ahead and squeeze some fuel in there. That's how you light it. Lights up real easy. I'm going to boil 2 cups of water. I don't have a 2-cup measuring cup, so I'm going to put it in there a cup at a time. There's 1 cup. Let me go get another cup. Here's the 2nd cup. Okay. Put my pot stand there. Put my Heineken pot there. And put my lid on top there. And we'll let this warm up. Jets are starting to fire right now. And we'll check on it here in a few minutes, see if we got some water boiling. Usually takes somewhere around 5.5 minutes, sometimes up to 6.5 minutes, depending on how cold the water is or how cold it is outside where you're boiling it. So we'll check on it here in a few minutes. It's been going a couple minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. So let's take a peek inside there, see what it looks like. When this thing's real hot like this, with this tab bend here, it makes it real easy for you to just take your knife, poke it in there, lift this lid up. You can see we got a lot of bubbles forming. I'm thinking it's been going a little over 3 minutes, maybe coming up on 3.5 minutes. It's already real close. That'd probably be really, really hot to drink even right there. But we want to get it rolling boil going here. I'm not sure exactly what time we set it on there. I'm thinking it was around 2 minutes. So we're going to check it about 7.5 minutes. That'll be 5.5 minutes that it will be on the fire, and that should be real close to boiling by then. A good rolling boil. Oh, I hear it boiling right now. Let me look in there. It's a slight boil. It's getting there. It's a pretty good boil. So I guess that's probably a little less than 5 minutes we got it boiling. Take a look in there. About 5.5 minutes, and there is rolling boil just started. Really good boil going there. A hard boil. So about 5.5 minutes. You can see it's boiling so hard that it's kind of rocking around because this pan it's sitting on is not really flat. But there it is. Can't boil it any more than that. Alright, thanks for watching. Any questions you can always ask.